If you saw one of my previous videos, you saw the counters and the stove, refrigerator, blah, 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 everything that makes a kitchen. And you saw mold and mildew on this entire wall because these big drain pipes go up in the upstairs bathroom is up there. That drain right there is the bathtub. This big pipe is for the commode, which is right up there. Hey YouTube, this is Sean with YouTube Pays My Mortgage. Maybe they will pay it one day. You just never know. So on the menu today, the kitchen behind me. Yep, that's a kitchen. When they're completely gutted, that's what they look like. I'm going to replace the fireboard that goes behind the drywall to separate the duplex. By code, you have to have a fireboard, and install new insulation because I had plumbers replace all the pipes, got rid of all the old ancient cast iron pipes and installed the new PVC. So I'm going to do the wall. I've got insulation and I've got wood and nails and hammers, and I've never done it before. I'm going to watch some YouTube videos and figure it out. So hey, come along for the ride with me. I appreciate it. All right, coming into the kitchen. If you saw one of my previous videos, you saw the counters and the stove, refrigerator, blah, 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 everything that makes a kitchen. And you saw mold and mildew on this entire wall because these big drain pipes go up in the upstairs bathroom is up there. That drain right there is the bathtub. This big pipe is for the commode, which is right up there. And cast iron throughout the years, 1970 till now, it had leaked over time, and it was fixed when I got here, but the mold and mildew had been done. So all this is going to be replaced, but right now we're going to replace this stuff. We're going to rip it off and then put insulation in the walls and put new fireboard. I'll get you the exact name here shortly. So let's get to work. All right, here we go. Let's see. And I got to do something with these wires. This wire right here went to the garbage disposal, and that one, not quite sure. It'll come to me. It will come to me. Easy enough. Be careful with live wires. Boy, that was easy enough too. R7. I need to look that up because I got 12, and that sounds weaker. Interesting. 1970 till 2023. Go through and pull all the nails, and then we'll do what we got to do to get the new ones to fit in there. And what we're going to do with the wires. This wire went to a light that was up here above the stove. So I'll think about what we're going to do with that. All right, need to get the shop vac. Shop vac. And we need to knock all this upper stuff down. All right, I bought this this little dust cover to go over the shop vac filter because it's so dusty in here that these filters are getting clogged up quick. You can see it right there. So I got 2 of them, and I've been like spraying one out with water and you know, rotating them. When it dries, then I can swap it out. So this is supposed to be some kind of a one-size-fits-all dust filter. Kind of chintzy, and it's got a rubber band. But if it'll help a little bit, then great. It only covers a little bit of it. I guess I got the smaller one-size-fits-all, huh? We'll see. Like so. Oh, I need to go watch this guy. Look at that, nasty. Okay, everything came back to me. This wire laying on the ground went to the dishwasher, and this one with the metal conduit around it went to the garbage disposal. The garbage disposal is operated off a switch. So I think I'm going to bring that wire up a little higher because I might put some lighting up here, and it'd be good to have it on a switch. The one leading to the dishwasher, I'm just going to get rid of it. So we need to turn the power off. Alright, cut the power off. So I'll get rid of these staples that are holding the wire to the studs. Yeah, maybe. So that one. That one. Alright, staples out. That goes up into the back of this switch. Well, that's a heck of a long screw. We got tools for this. Let's see how they got it here. They got the thing going. Alright, like so. So let's just get rid of this guy for right now. And then we'll just get rid of that guy for right now. And the ground's are they're not really tied together. See if you guys can see. So the ground wires are right here. and there's no wire nut around them. They're just kind of barely touching each other in there. Now that wire is out, so I need to get rid of this guy that's going in the bottom of the light switch. All right, so that guy's out. That one's reconnected. And then the little white one that we cut off. Wow, the wire nut came apart. Dang. This is supposed to stay inside the plastic nut. Alright, so that guy's gone. Yep, so this wire, no, it came out of there. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, the grounds are at least touching. So let's see what else it does now. While the power's off, I'm going to take this conduit off of this one that went to the garbage disposal. The garbage disposal is not going over here anymore. Alright. That and that. Put the wire nuts back on. We're going to move these wires up. Alright, so the wire that went to the garbage disposal, we just took the conduit off of. It's stapled once, and then it leads back over to the switch also. So let's get rid of the staple. And we can take it somewhere else. Being that it's on a switch, I'll bring it up top, and then maybe I'll have some lighting over these counters or something. I didn't have any staples, but I found something that'll work. Just to hold it out of the way. So I'm going to be replacing the floor in the kitchen anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a strip out. So I'm going to take my circular saw and set it just to the depth of the wood in there to where I can cut a strip out, only going through the subfloor and not the floor below it. All right. So let's see if we can cut a couple feet out of it. Yes, I got some glasses. We used to be able to call these skill saws, but now you can't. Somebody get mad. Make sure there's no nails. I like to see. If I go to this side, the nails are right here. I'm going to cut just on the other side of the nails, hopefully. I'm going to try to get up in one piece if I can. This stuff is so bad. It's so rotted that Well, see, I just wanted to cut this piece only and not the floor below it.